Hello everyone. Today's topic is negative sentences and negative contractions. Now let us look at these sentences. I was studying for the test. I was not studying for the test. In the first sentence, the subject is showing a positive action. That is, the subject is agreeing that he was studying for the test. This kind of sentence is known as affirmative sentence. Now look at the second sentence, children. I was not studying for the test. This sentence is called the negative sentence as the subject I is not agreeing or refusing that he was not studying for the test. That is why the word not is written in it. Now let us take one more affirmative sentence. The teacher was waiting for an answer. Now can you change this in a negative sentence, children? Yes, the answer will be the teacher was not waiting for an answer. Now let us read few sentences. She cleans her room every day. Raju arrived very late. I like to play chess. He has a notebook. They had a camera. I have a computer. Now let us change these affirmative sentences into negative sentences one by one. Let's take the first one. Answer will be she does not clean her room every day. Second one, Raju did not arrive very late. Third one, I do not like to play chess. Fourth one, he has no notebook. They had no camera. I have no computer. So children, in negative sentence, we also use does not, did not, do not, and the sentences with have, has, had, we form negative sentence by adding no to it. Do you know what helping verbs are? Let me explain. Firstly, verbs are doing or action words like running, playing, eating, sleeping, fighting, and so on. Helping verbs are is, am, are, was, were. These words help the main verb in the sentence. Now look at this sentence, children. The gardener is watering plants. What action is the gardener doing? Watering plants. So here the verb is watering. Can you see is in the sentence? Yes, is the helping verb. Now let us change this sentence into a negative one. The gardener is not watering plants. So children, in negative sentence, the word not is placed between the helping verb and the main verb. Alright, in English language, we often use these words. I can't, I won't, I don't want to. What do they mean? They are the short forms of the full form words like I cannot, I will not, I do not want to. Do you know what they are called? They are called negative contractions. That is verb plus not. The negative contractions are commonly used in speech and in informal writing. Now, how are they formed? Let us take the full form of am not. Now you will join the words in am not, A-M-N-O-T. But in place of O, you will put an apostrophe. Do you know what an apostrophe means? Now let me tell you. It looks like a comma, but it is placed towards the upper side of the alphabet. There are few exceptions like we will. It won't be changed into will not. It will be changed into won't. Shall not. It will be changed into shan't. But shan't is rarely used. Now let us practice by changing these sentences using negative contractions. I am not hungry. So you just have to put an apostrophe in place of the alphabet O. I do not enjoy swimming. I don't enjoy swimming. He will not come to school today. He won't come to school today. You must not disobey your parents. You mustn't disobey your parents. Well done, children. I hope you understood this concept clearly. So pause the video and try to do this worksheet on your own. Change them into negative contractions. So thank you, children, and have a wonderful day.